fashion lovers, it's Ms. Angela Sawyer here, and I'm back with another video about how you can make extra money while not really doing too much work at all. So let's get started. Imagine this: you're a retired grandparent, a stay-at-home mom, or maybe someone who just wants to make some extra money. Or maybe you are looking to start your own business. You want to make money, but you don't have space for a closet full of inventory or time to handle endless shipping. Sound familiar? Well, today we are diving into DeerLover Dropshipping, how it works, how you can actually make money, and why this is one of the easiest ways to run your own boutique without leaving your house. And I don't know about some of you, but I am kind of a homebody, so this works great for me. You don't even have to worry about boxes of clothes piling up. It's all taken care of for you. Okay, and we'll want to go to DS. As you can see, it's in my search bar already, ds.deer-lover.com. And we'll click on this right here. We want to make sure that we are on the dropshipping site, so we will go to dropshipping. And we want to go ahead and register. And normally ds.deerlover.com would take us right to the dropshipping site. So we'll hit register right here. We're going to put in all of our information. So dropshipping, me at my.com. Password. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and we'll want to say Ava, and the code is 3040. And it says 8 characters minimum. Just a second here, and we'll register. I'm going to close this box up here. Okay, so now it is directing us to set up a connection to a Shopify store, a WooCommerce store, or a TikTok shop. So next you'll want to hit connect on one of these and then go ahead and follow the prompts. So if I hit connect on TikTok, and it's going to ask me if I want international or not, and I'm just going to go ahead and stop right here because I'm not trying to get this set up again. But go ahead and follow the prompts from there and you will have your store set up. Let's go ahead and go to find products, and here we can see that if we want to find some dresses, we can click on dresses. And there are plenty of dresses to choose from. You can see that the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $44.75, while you only pay $14.54. So you get to keep the difference, and you can change that suggested retail price to whatever meets your needs. So here's the deal. To run your dropshipping, you need a website, and something like Shopify works perfectly. It's the one that I use. Shopify lets you create your own online store, list the products that you want to sell, and it will handle all of your transactions securely. Once someone buys from your online shop, the order flows straight into your DeerLover account, and they ship the item directly to your customer. No DeerLover branding, no extra work. Work smarter, not harder, right? So as you saw, DeerLover shows both the manufacturer's price and the retail price, and that is one of my favorite things. For example, you might see a dress listed for $12.96. However, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $40.96. That's your wiggle room. Charge whatever makes you feel comfortable with your store type, and then you keep the difference as a profit. Now that you've seen all these gorgeous styles and fun prices, it's time for the fun part. I'm going to try on some of these DeerLover dresses and a pair of pants so you can see how they look in real life, how they fit, and which ones are my absolute favorite. Let's get into it. The manufacturer's suggested retail price on this dress is $52.72. The price that you pay is only $17.03, so that gives you a $35.96 profit. Isn't that just gorgeous? And it's nice and thick. It's not some thin cheap fabric. Next up, we have a dreamy light pink polka dot dress. Now the MSRP for this dress is $57.55. You pay $19.50. You get a profit of $39.05. Might as well call it $40. Let me show you the beautiful polka dot fabric. Isn't that just gorgeous? And it does come in layers, so it is not see-through in any way, shape, or form besides the sleeves. And next up, we have a yellow cinched floral dress with pockets. And by the way, the dress just before this one had pockets as well. Pockets in a dress. Who would have thunk it? Let's get started. For this dress, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $55.32. Now the price you pay is only $18.27. So that is a 37.05 profit. Now that is quite a good deal for this cute dress. Let me show you a couple things about it. First of all, this right here, I don't know if you can see this bow, but you can take this bow, undo it, pull one of the straps, and you cinch it up. See, it can be cinched, so then you cinch it and you tie it. And then you have this cute little cinch detail. And yes, it has pockets. And for the next product I want to show you, we are looking at these bold, comfy, and 100% cotton flared pants. These pants make a statement without being too flashy. The MSRP on these pants is $39.63. Now what you would pay for the pants is only $12.47. So you're basically getting a profit of $27.16. That's $27.16. These comfy pants also have pockets. Next up, we have this seafoam green tie-up strap dress with little ribbons for the ties. This beauty has seafoam green, purple, and blue flowers. And the lacy tie straps are soft and feminine. The MSRP for this dress is $56.70. This is a very high quality dress. The price that you pay is only $18.90. So you end up getting a $37.80 profit. Now that is nothing to sneeze about. Seriously. Also, this dress does have pockets. Yay! So the beauty of drop shipping is you don't have to store inventory, ship anything yourself, or stress about dozens of boxes piling up in your living room. DeerLover handles all the messy parts. You just focus on curating your shop, creating content, and cashing in. Now, I do have a code for you to receive $40 US off of your first purchase. And if you want to grab a pen and paper, I will give you a second. 1 Mississippi. You can also pause the video. But the code is Angie10. ANGIE 10. Drop shipping with DeerLover is like running your own boutique on autopilot. All style, no stress. And I would like to say a big thanks to DeerLover for this second collaboration. And if you want more behind the scene tips, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I would like to give a big thank you once again to DeerLover for sponsoring this video. And a thank you to you for watching this video. I hope you got some value and that you might decide to use the DeerLover site. It is very cool. And I'm getting ready to start using it myself. So I've got stuff set up, and it's just a simple way to make money. And it could be extra money for you, or you could turn it into a full-time job. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And peace out. Plus these plus